Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I take my ketchup very seriously, and this is my favorite one. This is Heinz tomato ketchup, and it is the classic for a reason. It's super tasty. So this is one of those things that you just have to have in your fridge because it is great on everything. So of course this is delicious with French fries and potatoes and eggs, hamburgers, you name it. And it is just one of those things that is a classic flavor. It brings back good memories and it always tastes good. So I really like this bottle. This is a 20-ounce bottle, and I like it because it stores with the cap on the bottom. So as soon as you open the flip top cap, the ketchup is right there and it's ready to come out. You don't have to like shake it like crazy, and there's no mess. So I really like that. And the squeeze top works perfectly. So it's just all around a great bottle and a great ketchup. So if you're looking for the perfect ketchup to accompany all your favorites, then you should definitely get the Heinz, and that's my point of view.